Hey loves, welcome back again to my channel. How are you all doing? I trust you all are doing great. Thanks for clicking to this video. So today I'm going to share with you all how I made this delicious, simple, homemade velvet cupcake. If you want to know how I made this cupcake, please kindly keep watching, okay? So for this recipe, we are going to be needing 1 egg, then sugar. Guys, all ingredients and measurements are written in the description box. Please do well to check it out. So after adding the sugar, we are going to whisk this until the sugar is melted. So then next we are going to add in vegetable oil and milk. After adding that, we are going to add in vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. After adding that, we are now going to add in the red food colored, that's the velvet colored. Then we are going to whisk this until everything is well combined. So at this point, everything is nicely combined. So this is what we are going to be working with. I'm just going to set this aside. So now let's get started with the dry ingredients. The next thing is to sieve our flour. Like I said, all ingredients and measurements are written in the description box. Please do well to check it out. And if today is your first time here, thanks for clicking to this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell icon, and also like this video, okay? And to my amazing subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I really do appreciate you all. And please don't forget to like this video and also drop me your comments. I really do appreciate you all. So after I'm done sieving the flour, the next thing was to add in my baking soda, a pinch of salt, and cocoa powder. So after adding it, I'm going to mix everything together. After I'm done mixing, the next was to introduce the wet ingredients. Then I'm going to mix this together until everything is nicely combined. So at this point, I'm done mixing everything together. So I'm just going to line up the cupcake paper. Then I will start to scoop the batter into it, just the way I'm doing in this video. So at this point, I'm done scooping the batter into the cupcake liner. So we have two remaining. I'm just going to take that out. Then I'm going to bake this in a preheated oven for 25 minutes. And guys, look at that. Look how yummy this velvet cupcake is looking. And guys, it was so yummy. Super, super delicious. So serve and enjoy. What will you be eating this with? Is it tea, coffee, or a freshly homemade juice? I enjoy mine with freshly orange juice. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you all in my next one. Bye for now. Bye, guys.